1964 Galaxie 500 XL sports roof or two-door hardtop, here unique especially in classics. 428 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Prairie Bronze. It's the original color of this car when it was produced back in 1964, so still very similar, I would say. Now, if you notice the paint here, you maybe have a couple different shades of bronze there. There are some imperfections in the paint. This particular car, we have had it running and driving on the frontage road, parking lot, but it will need a little TLC before flying down the interstate. Let's put it that way. Could use a new battery. It does smoke some. Check with your sales consultants if you're interested in this car. The owner of the car has decided to price it accordingly, so he has discounted the price greatly for the next person that purchases this car. Wants to take to the next level, you can. Now, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Black interior, also the original color that this would have been produced in. 86 is your trim code, and you'll be able to see that data tag that's on the door. You can check that out in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, check out that door tag, the undersides, the interior. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, show you another area. I found the paint kind of had some scratching or whatever right up here. Interior, again, black vinyl. Interior shows well. Door panels, seating area. See the seat belts still intact in the front seats. Over 100 pictures of this car online too, so you'll be able to check out the interior. Engine bay, again, undersides. Headliner looks good. Take a peek at the dash a little closer. Unfortunately, not going to start this one up. It will smoke, sputter some, and could use a new battery. So, dash. All right, I'm going to go ahead, pause this a second. We'll get this hood open quick, and we'll check out the engine bay and wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look under the hood, hood liner. Take a peek at the engine bay. Again, power steering equipped. According to the previous owner, 428, 4-barrel. There are some miscellaneous parts that will go with this too. There's some wheel covers in the trunk. There's also a valve cover, gaskets, some miscellaneous there too. So just make you aware of that. 1964 Ford Galaxie XL 500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call us right now.